Now today we're doing the x and the y intercept. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now on the y and the x intercept, we are given the equation y is equal to 6x plus 3. Right?
Yes.
Now, the first thing what we must do, we must divide the two intercept into one. We have the first part which is the x-intercept. Now on the x-intercept, we put y is equals what? 0. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now on the y-intercept, that is then we put, whenever we see x on the equation, we put what? 0. Shasha?
Yes.
Now, let's look at the two x and the y-intercept and see how much do we have. Then at the end, you must end up having your coordinate in the form of x and y. But automatically on the x-intercept, what is the value of y? 0. So which means we're looking for the unknown value of x that will give us certain number. Again?
Yes.
But then the y value of it is what? Is 0. Now on the y-intercept, we are going to be having the coordinate at the end as in the term of x and y. But we know on the y-intercept our x value becomes what? 0. Are we clear?
Yes.
So now the point at the end of the coordinate at the end, this is what it's going to be looking like. But then once we get that value of y here, we will substitute. When we get that value of x here, we do what? We also substitute. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now let's start with the x-intercept. Which means on our equation, y is equals to 6x plus 3. Wherever I see y, I have to put what? 0. Then I will end up having 0 is equals to 6x plus 3. Are we clear?
Yes.
Going further, now it means it leads us into one variable which is only what? X. So what I have to do what? I'm solving for what? I'm solving for what? I'm solving for what? For x. So if I have to solve for x, I have to make sure this one is a simple straight line, again, or it's a linear equation. Therefore, I have to make sure that whatever coefficient or whatever number that is multiplying x, they have to remain on the one side with x, while the other numbers which are the constant, they have to go to the other side of equation side. Are we clear?
Yes.
So what is the one that's supposed to go to the other side of equation side here? Which one do we have to take to the other side here? You say? It's plus 3. I3. It's what? Plus 3. Don't forget that you have to take it with its side. Okay?
Yes.
And what is the rule when we take the number from one side of the equation side to the other side of the equation side? We multiply by what? By negative. Are we clear?
Yes.
So we're going to multiply by what?
Yes.
By negative. So there are the two ways in which we can do this thing. We can multiply firstly by negative, and then we will have 6x is equal to negative what? 3. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now let me just use this space for now to do it on the other way. On the other way, we're going to use what? The additive inverse. Additive inverse of plus 3. It becomes what? Negative 3. Are we clear?
Yes.
So we'll have 0 minus 3 is equal to 6x plus 3 minus what? Minus 3. So that when we say plus 3 minus 3 becomes what? 0. Are we clear?
Yes.
Then on the other side we will have 0 minus anything, it is that thing. So we have a negative that thing. Are we clear?
Yes.
Then negative 3 is equal to 6x plus 0. But I don't have to put 0 here. Because 0 is nothing, okay?
Yes.
So I will put just like this one. So you can see, you can either do it in this way. This is the advanced method coming from this one. Are we clear?
Yes.
Remember we started learning from here, okay? So after here, if you do understand, then it's obvious to just multiply it by negative or change to the other side. Are we clear?
Yes.
Then we have to get rid of 6. It means you end up to have x is equal to. How do we do? We divide both sides by what? By 6. Then 6 divided by 6 is what? The side will remain x. On the other side, negative 3 divided by 6. It's going to give us what? Let's see if I calculate. Negative 6 divided by, so negative 3 divided by 6. Let's use our calculators and see what's the answer. The answer is negative, yes. It's going to be what? Sorry? 1 over 2. Are we clear? So which means the value of x here is what? Negative 1 over 2. Don't forget, it means what? As our coordinate, we will have what? Negative 1 over 2 is to? Is to? 0. Then I have solved for x. I have found the x-intercept on this equation. Let's go for y. Y is the simplest or the shortest or the one that we can just use. We can just find in 1 or 2 steps. Okay? Now let's see. Whenever we see x, we put what? 0. We will have what? Y is equals to 6 multiplied by 0 plus 3. Anything multiplied by 0 is what?
Nothing.
It's 0. Nothing what? It's 0 again. Then we have y is equals to plus 3. In other way, y is equals to 3. Are we clear? Then our coordinate will give us 0 and 3. That is the intercept. Now, if I have to plot this thing on the equation, or this intercept on the graph, are we clear? That's why we go into the set of Cartesian plane. We have the set of x's and the set of y. I label my x, I label my y. Then here I put 0 because it's the origin, again? Yes. And then I label with the ruler -1, -2, -3, -4. Then with the ruler also, same measurement, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going up on the y is 1, 2, 3, and 4. -1, -2, -3, and -4. Now, where will I see 0 is x? Remember, on this line. Then y is what? Is 3. So my first point is here. Are we clear? Yes. In the y-intercept, the first point is here. The second one, which is the x-intercept, -1 over 2. -1 over 2 is the middle of 0 and -1. It's somewhere remove. Again? My y is 0. Y is 0 is on this line. Are we clear? Therefore, I will put it exactly here. Now, let me ask you. You remember this equation? Y is equals to mx plus. You still remember it? You don't remember it? Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Now, if you don't remember it, let me remind you. On this equation, if the equation is in this way, we say it is in standard form. We say it's in what?
Standard form.
We don't have to calculate the gradient.
Yes.
We don't what?
Calculate the gradient.
We don't calculate the gradient, but we do what? We determine or we deduct the gradient. Like when I say we deduct, we look at it and take it out. Now, we have m is the value, okay? X is the variable, right? Plus c is also a value. What I'm saying, value is a number, right? Now, the gradient for this equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Gradient is equal to what? The value of what? M, with its own sides. If m is negative, if this number here is negative, we take it as a negative. The gradient. Now, what is the gradient of this equation? Y is equal to 6x plus 3. You say gradient is going to be what? 6, right? Then m is equal to b 6 again? Are you clear?
Yes.
Let me ask you, is our gradient positive or negative?
Positive.
It's positive. What is the shape of the graph in terms of increasing or decreasing? The graph is going to do what? Increase. So if it's increased, my graph, I'm drawing it from where? From the left to the right, but going up or going down? Going up. Down we have eyes. I'm drawing from left to right, going where? So this is the shape of my graph, okay?
Yes.
Now, anyone with a ruler, borrow me a ruler. Now, let's see. If then, by any chance, I have to plot the graph passing through this intercept of x and passing through this intercept of y. Are we together?
Yes.
I will use my ruler. Remember, it's a straight line again? And then I make sure that the graph touches these 2 points. The first point came up, the second point did go. Then I keep on extending my graph going down. I extend my graph going where? So this is my graph. You see how simple it was to draw my graph. Then I labeled y is equal to 6x plus 3. Only showing what? The x and then y.